Yabona ngiphiwe isiphiwo sokukwazi ukubona into ebalulekile. Ngiyashesha ukubona futhi ukuthi umuntu la ugaxele la. Umuntu omunye engakaboni ukuthi ingozi le. Yabo mina into ebengingayinaka kakhulu ngale event le ezoba ngomhla ka2 May 2026 lapha eMichelle's Park Morningside prayer ebizwa nge-Ancient Awaken Festival. Into ebengayinaka kakhulu ile yokuthi number of people is limited. Leyo ke ngiyakubona ke konke okunye ukuthi shade of green valley theme, shade of green ungaphatha into yokubhala inotini kuthiwa yini lento ama journal lokho uzobhala khona nje because it's gonna be it's gonna be informative as well. Ungaphatha lento ozohlala kuyona noma iyogamethi noma i-camchair noma i-cushion because we are going to be in the park for an extended period of time. But ngeke uze kufike konke lapho uma ngabe ukuthi wena usugcwalelwe lapho ukwa khona usugcwalelwe ngeke uze kufike konke lapho. Angeke uze kufike ekuthenini wena ube no green, angeke uze kufike ekuthenini wena ube nento ozobhalela kuyo, angeke uze kufike ndawo nanokuthi kuphi nanokuthi u250. Angeke uze kufike konke lapho uma ngabe ugcwaleliwe wena ngoba phela limited number iyona into eyenza ukuthi ugcine mhlawumbe ungasakwazanga ukuthi ungene 100 people yabo. So injalo ke indaba ukubhuka ke good people for this upcoming event. By the way, it's not a profit seeking event, this one. It's because there are services, number service providers. Lots of 15 fact you should be coming for free and enjoy. But siyazi ukuthi ama service providers they are going to provide us with food and other stuffs. They are going to need something. So we are doing it for ourselves. Fana nokuthi thina siyaqhela ukuthi ngeke size sikwazi ukuthi sikwenze ukudla thina sicela u-service provider akwenze yena ngoba thina will be busy with other stuffs. That's what we do with this 250. And the accounting party ke is not something esingahluleka ukukhombisa yo. But what is important la ukuthi ubhuka kanjani? Ubhuka kanje. One yabona link la kwi what you call this kwi bio yami